Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to withdraw from PixelTap by Pixelverse. So we're going to open our Telegram app and then we're going to open our PixelTap by Pixelverse bot. Then we're going to click on Launch Bot and then at the top you're going to see the wallet icon right over here. So we're going to tap on it. We need to first of all connect our wallet. So we're going to be using Binance. And then it's going to ask you a question. If you have an account with Binance, you're going to say, yes, I have it. If not, you're going to have to create an account on Binance. So we're going to say, yes, I have it. And then here, it's going to require you to put in your alphanumeric USDT ERC20 wallet address. So we're going to go over to Binance to copy USDT ERC20 wallet address. So we're going to open our Binance app. And then here in the main page, at the bottom right corner, you're going to tap on wallets. So we're looking for USDT and we're going to tap on it. And then we're going to select deposit. And then we're going to also select the network. Remember, it was USDT ERC20. So we're going to tap on Ethereum. And here we have the QR code and the alphanumeric wallet address for USDT ERC20. So we're going to copy it by tapping on the copy icon. And now we've copied it, we're going to go back to PixelTap by Pixelverse. And then we're going to press and hold and paste it. Then we're going to click on Made It. Now you can see that your wallet is connected. We're going to tap on Gotcha. Now what this means is that your Binance wallet is connected to your PixelTap by Pixelverse. And now we can see the Binance icon here, which indicates that we now have our Binance connected to our PixelTap by Pixelverse. And then in order to withdraw PixelTap, all we need to do is to wait for the airdrop. Now we're prepared for the airdrop, and when the airdrop is announced, we're going to withdraw from PixelTap into our Binance account.